Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to another episode of Product Talk. And today, as you can see, I have with me these cough drops from this company called Vicks, which is a throat irritation relief provider. And this flavor is of ginger. Let's take a look at the back. As you can see, I've already opened this because I had a bad cough, and so I had to open it. Well, if you can look at the back, it says that it has a flavored sugar base. Now, what's inside cost about 20 rupees, and there are about 20 of these individual packs on the inside, and it costs about 20 rupees. And this surprisingly is an Ayurvedic medicine which is made in India by the Procter and Gamble company. So let's take a look at the individual cough drop, which has a ginger flavoring in it. So they say that this is long lasting, and when you look at the back, it's pretty much the same information that is at the back of this bigger pack. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. And to my surprise, this to me is tiny. Back in the day when I used to buy the same product, the cough drop was a little bigger in size, and now they have decreased the size. But I guess the concentration of whatever is being put into this has been increased, but I cannot vouch for that. So this is the Vicks cough drops, and now that I've opened it, I have to eat it. But it helps, not in most cases. I definitely find it helpful in about 40% of the time, but not 100%, especially when I have a bad throat. This is, excuse me, the dogs seem to be barking. So this doesn't work always. It only works about 40% of the time for me. But some people swear by it, but not me. So that's about it. This is the Vicks cough drops talk. And if you like to watch more product talk videos, please do subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Google Plus if you're into it, and also on Twitter. I will be doing a lot of live product talks on any of those channels. So thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. I will see you